What's up, guys? So today I realized that T-Series is getting way too close to PewDiePie, and I want to change that. So all you have to do is go here, inspect, and once a window pops up, all you have to do is go here again, edit text, and you can change it to whatever you want. But today I'm gonna do lol gay. That's a good one, guys. And now look, they have 0 subscribers. Okay, now that we're done with that, you have a small channel and you want some more subscribers? Well, here. All you have to do is this again. All you have to do is change that 15 subscribers to 15. A lot of subscribers. Now see, guys, that many free subscribers, guys. It's so easy. But, you know, one word of advice, don't let any T-Series supporters see this, because we don't want them using it on PewDiePie. Anyways, boys, thanks for watching. Have a good